Hello everyone, it's James from MPX Auto. How are you today? In this video, I'd like to share the work that we finished in the JEEP WRANGLER 2011, and this one is two-door CDI. So it came with the factory radio before, and currently it's already fully fit with the with the 9-inch premium model, and it has wireless Apple Carplay, of course, and Android Auto and GPS Bluetooth high level, and coming with the high definition anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera at the back end. Now the special thing in this car is that we actually got the requirement to fit in the front dash camera and also the rear for parking sensor and front for parking sensor. So at the end we already fit in the special high definition integrate for rear parking sensor and independent for front parking sensor. We also have another video showing about that, so you can see in our channel about the parking sensor section front and rear alone. In this one I just quickly want to show actually how it works. Okay, so on the screen you can see that it is wireless Android Auto, which is very fast, very smooth and stable on the head. Now if we turn on the system here and looking at this, you see the front parking sensor is there, and it shows that on the right side the car is something object on the right, very close, and on the left side is safe because it's within 2 meters. So that's good, and that is 0.4 meter on the right side. And now at the back, when you reverse, actually you see the camera and the parking sensor showing left, right, and the distance. So at this point, it shows that the left side is close to the entrance side of the workshop, and that's correct. So it's about that, and then it show on the right side popping up like about 1.32 meter, which is very correct as well, because that is on the right side of the entrance. So that is the way the front and the rear parking sensor are working, and the rear parking sensor integrate high definition into the reverse camera screen. So that's the way it works, and it comes back the Android Auto straight away. The same with the Apple CarPlay. So yep, that's our system fit, 9-inch premium one, and beautifully run, and it run with the very strong amplifier to boost up the sound. So the sound in the car now is very nice. So once again, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you on next one.